Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech. So here we have got this we have got this five bedroom, but we are not the one who are doing this. Is a friend of mine who is doing this project. So he has told me to come and bring to cast him for this progress of his house, even though he's not around, but due to his let's say due to his communication with me in terms of Garitech, those consultations that is making up to me, and then if after we have communicated, he can send me back here to do, let's say, maybe if there's some let's say correction or a bit anything that I can adjust so as his beautiful mansion, like you can see over here, to be looking so good. So here it is a 4-bedroom house. 2 bedroom are en suite, 2 bedroom are en suite, 1 public toilet, and then there's another a kitchen inside, and then there's a sitting room inside. So here we have got this it's like a servant quarter, but initially it was to be a dining room, so we suggested to have it, let's say, like a servant quarter, but in the meantime we can close this door, and then we can make this like a dining room, because this wall it is on a sitting room, and then this one it is on a kitchen. So we can make a serving window here, and then here we can make an opening so as to can access this particular house. But in the meantime we are using it like in terms of a bedroom, like a servant quarter. One can use it, let's say, if it's a visitor or someone, if you don't want to access the main house. So this is the front part of this particular house, like you can see. You can see here they are doing plaster. They are on plaster stage, like you can see over here. They are finished inside, now they are outside. So I think maybe tomorrow, like you can see, they have done this beautiful plaster work today. So I think tomorrow they will come and then start doing this plastering of this particular model work, and then to bring it, I think they want it to be like of round, in my sense. So I think tomorrow they will come and redo it. So I will welcome you towards this particular 4 bedroom. So here we have got this window. The good thing of this particular house, it has got this one window, of which will be the one that will be supplying light inside. It is I think it's of 8 by 4 or 6 by, let's say 6, not 6 by 4, let's say 8 by 4, 8 by 5. I think it's 8 by 5. So as it's only one window that is having on this particular sitting room. So this is the corridor, of which they have not put their main entrance door, the main entrance door here, but I think they are planning to redo it. So this is the corridor, like you can see. It has got 2 corridors. So this is the first one. This is the main one that comes from the like you can see here, that is the gate. And then we have got this another corridor, so that runs from here going up to that end. So I will come and show you later how it is arranged over there. So this is the sitting room. Like I've told you, it has got only this window, but it is so big, so this window supplies enough light for this particular room, for this particular sitting room, of which in terms of size, this sitting room is quite much big, like you can see on this video, even though you can't see it. But if you can come on the ground, you can see that this sitting room is quite big. And then here we have got the main entrance that will be welcoming you towards this particular house, this sitting room. But like you can see here, they are going to do some arc. I don't know, but for my own advice, I will advise him to do here, let's say, some arches, of which will be doing with molding work. We can call a molder, the molding guy to redo here, to do here a beautiful molding one work, so as maybe someone when will be entering for this particular house, he can access, he will be seeing the beautifulness of this particular house. So this is the sitting room, guys. This is the sitting room. It's quite amazing. It's quite big. So I'm going to let you towards the, let's say, the other. So as you enter direct here, you can see here. Okay, for my let's say for my own advice, this let's say this the door, like you can see that door over here, that for toilet, it was, let's say, like a bit placed on a wrong place, because when you just come from the main entrance, this is the corridor, you can see someone who is using this particular public toilet. So that is maybe the mistake that they did. At least they could have a bit here hide that door, so as maybe whoever will be coming from this particular entrance, he can't see the privacy of this particular toilet. So this is the toilet, this is the public toilet. Like you can see, even though they have not yet done the plumbing work, but I think in the meantime they will come and do that plumbing work. This is the window over there, and then you can see there's a separation here. Let's say that here will be paint work, and then here they will be putting some tiles, so the wall tiles on this particular house. And then here, this is like a walk-in closet. You can come in, let's say you can have some decors here, or you can put here, let's say, a mirror, so as maybe whoever will coming to from this particular toilet, he can see him or herself on this particular mirror that will be provided over here. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment anything. And then I had advised him to have this bigger CCU, consumer control unit, because if you have this, let's say, if you have a bigger consumer control unit, this house comprises, let's say, 4 bedroom, a sitting room. If you want to have an AC, each and every AC can run separately, individually, without being interrupted, let's say, power distribution over here. So in terms of power supply, or let's say for the distribution of the electrical, here is being sorted over here. Like you can see that the advice that I gave him, I think he picked, and then he will call his electrician, and then like you can see here, this is a CCU of a 12-way So mainly, if you let's say use a smaller, let's say like 6-way or 8-way, in terms of, let's say, in future, it will limit you, let's say, in terms of let's say extending, maybe if you have a shower, if you have an air condition on each and every room. So there will be some let's say in future, if you want to extend, let's say, some things, it will be so hard to have it. So here we have got this, let's say this is the first bedroom, like you can see, it's quite it's big enough. It can accommodate, let's say, like this one, it can accommodate even, like, let's say, like 3 or 2 beds, depending with let's say with the kind, or with the way you will be arranging your bed. So this is the first bedroom, of which you can use it, let's say, like for visitors or whichever way. And then this is the door, this is the windows that will be placed over here. So I'm going to let you towards the first. This is the kitchen, like you can see. This is our kitchen, of which is quite big, quite amazing. So in future, maybe they will come and then they redo here. They will come, let's say, I think in the meantime they will come and then do here a worktop, of which they have not seen. I always advise to have those a worktop before, maybe before at earlier stage, rather than doing it at later stage. So they'll come and have it over here. And then this is the window, like you can see, it's quite big enough. And then there's another one that is over here. So this is the store that will be that will be used to keep, let's say, they will be used to keep the storage for foods or particular or other things. So this wall, this is the one that I've told you. On opposite side, it has that first bedroom. There is a let's say a servant quarter, of which At meantime, it's now like a 7 2/4. But maybe if one day you want to revert it, they'll use it, let's say, like a dining room. And then here, this is our rear porch. Like you can see, this is our rear porch that is outside. Like you can see, they have not yet done the plastering of this particular molding. Like you can see, at maybe during the day, let's say at the end of the day, let's say you can have to come and chill over here. You can see this is the sunset. You can have it. You can come and chill here, and then have the sunset at the end over there. So guys, make sure you've subscribed, like, share, comment. I will be so appreciate. I will appreciate you so much if this video will have so many views or some. So let's say it will have so many engagement. And then here, this is another bedroom too. Like you can see, this is another bedroom too over here. It's of same size with the other one. I think it's of 16 by 16 in size. And then here, this is the window, of which the window is quite big enough for this particular house. And then here we have got this another bedroom. So this bedroom is ensuite. So there's 2 bedrooms that are ensuite on this house, on this particular project. The master bedroom and then this bedroom. So like you can see, that is the door that leads us towards the toilet, and then this is the bedroom. Like you can see, their windows are over there. They are already installed over here, like you can see on this particular video. So but in terms of size, it's of same design size with the other one, with the other bedroom. And then here we have got these. Let's say this is the toilet. Like you can see, they are not yet. They have done the plastering. You can see this is the separation between where they will be putting the paintwork, and then here they will be putting here. Let's say like the wall tiles. So guys, if you are a new subscriber, make sure you have subscribed, like, share, and comment. So here we are going towards this master bedroom. So this master bedroom, you will be welcome here with there's a corridor here, or you can call a corridor here. You can come and place it, maybe like, let's say, in terms of a shoe rack or something over here. And then now this is the main door that leads us towards the sitting. This is the master bedroom. So you can see the master bedroom has sufficient lights because they have 2 windows. So this is the first one, and the second one is over here. So if the owners of the house is maybe here, he can access anyone who will be coming from that particular main gate. Like you can see over there, he can see him, or he can see him. And then here we have got this another bedroom that there another window that is over here, that is on our back side. And then let's say this is the another. This is the toilet. This is the toilet for the master bedroom. It's quite spacious. Like it's quite spacious. Like you can see on this video. So this is the separation between that the paintwork, where they will be having a paint, and then this will be having the wall tiles on this particular wall. So I think this master bedroom, even I think it is of same design size of this. I think this house, it is of I can say it is of both room. In terms of room size, it is of like 16 by 16 each room, I think. And then a sitting room, I think that is of 18 by 18. So in terms of space, it is well, let's say in terms of space, yeah, it is good. So this is the sitting room. As you can see, this one is quite much huge, so you can't compare with the other one. So guys, if you have watched up to there, I will kindly urge you to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will appreciate you so much if I will be have so many calls, let's say in terms of an engagement on this particular video, someone telling me he wants this particular site. And then another thing, if you have your site and then you want, let's say, to have a site visit. We have a site visit. You can call us, we can do it. It's not yet a must. We are building a house. We can call us, we can have we can see how our engineers they are doing. If there is somewhere, let's say it has got, let's say, a mistake, we can sit down with you or with your engineer. We can have a talk. And then if there is something that is that can be changed, we can change it. Or if it is we can have another alternative, we can have it. So don't be shy to maybe to call us if you have to call us. So our number is 0746 289667 072896 0746 289667. If you are let's say not in Kenya, we are mainly based in Kenya, or if you are let's say out of Kenya, you can start with the code of +254 +2547 46289667. I will be appreciate you so much for this particular video. We are road to 2000, let's say 500. I will appreciate you. So if each and everyone will be watching this particular video, if you have not, let's say if you have not yet subscribed, I will be so happy if you watch this and then you subscribe for this particular incredible content. So let's meet on the next video. I think I will be having I will be coming on this site each and every now and then. I will coming on this site to record and then to inform you how the progress it will be. So let's meet on the next video, God willing. Bye bye.